Hello, it's Cam from Stafford Land Rover showing you today this approved used Land Rover Range Rover Sport D300 SE finished in red. This 2024 model comes with a 3-litre diesel engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The large front pixel LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 22-inch 5-spoke diamond-turned wheels with satin dark grey contrasting finish. This Range Rover Sport has around 647 litres of usable boot space capacity, allowing room for larger luggage items and even a pram. There is adjustable air suspension and also an automatic boot close button as well. Making our way into the back, we will find the light cloud and ebony perforated Windsor leather seats with the same light cloud and ebony interior. They do have electronic operations and they have ISOFIX points as well as a fold down armrest which reveals a storage tray as well as 2 cup holders. The backseat passengers can also utilise from their own climate control vent, which does include heated seats with 3 levels of power. Making our way up front, we see the continuation of that light cloud and ebony interior as seen on the dash and the door sills. The seats are the same as in the back, this time with additional side support for extra comfort, and they are electronically operated as well with lumbar support. Here's a closer look at the 3-spoke multifunctional 2-tone leather-wrapped steering wheel, with controls on the left for the virtual cockpit and voice control, and on the right for the heated steering wheel and cruise control. The virtual cockpit itself has different display layout options to best suit driver preference, and this does include a map view. Speaking of maps, the main touchscreen infotainment system does include satellite navigation, including useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. We can also access radio with FM and DAB and use Bluetooth to connect to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated and ventilated seats are found here with varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions, and there is also the option to open the rear view parking camera as well as access 3D and satellite imagery to help manoeuvre this larger vehicle. Below that is a storage pocket for your phone, and behind the centre console there is a slide cover which will reveal 2 cup holders, which can also be slid back to reveal a storage pocket with a USB port, and the armrest can also be lifted up to reveal a storage pocket as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Land Rover Range Rover Sport SE. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.